Hey foodies! Meet the Ninja Crispy, your new kitchen game changer. Reason 1, it's a powerhouse. 1500 watts in a portable design. Reason 2, versatility. Air fry, bake, max crisp and re-crisp. Reason 3, durable glassware. From freezer to fryer without shattering. Perfect for quick meals or serving a crowd, all in one system. 6-cup container cooks meals in just 7 minutes. Quick and easy, just like scanning the QR code or hitting our link to get it today. 4-quart container fits a 4-pound chicken with veggies. Perfect for families. Snap lock lids, keep your meals secure on the go. Cleanup's a breeze. All parts are dishwasher-safe. Compact storage. Everything nests neatly in your cabinets. Ready to revolutionize your cooking. Grab your Ninja Crispy now. Hit the link below and start cooking healthier today.